Beginning the bulletin with the big breaking news coming in after the terrorist attack in Pahalgam. Now, authorities have issued an alert in Mumbai and surrounding coastal areas. Maharashtra Home Department has instructed Mumbai police to increase vigilance inside the sea. An alert has been issued on the seashores around Mumbai and adjoining areas. This has come after the Navy conducted a precision hit today. INS Surat earlier today showcased its missile prowess. Let us tell you that the coastal line of India is an extremely sensitive zone, and Maharashtra has a huge portion percentage of that. And it seems that the Maharashtra Home Department has now issued an alert and said that we are going to increase the security in the coastal areas. It also seems that the country is not taking anything lightly, and this is why, as the border areas have also seen a step up in the security, even the coastal areas are seeing a more strengthening of the security over there. For more on this, let's go across to Divyesh Singh from Mumbai. Divyesh, what exactly is this order that has been issued by the Home Department of the Maharashtra government, and how is it going to impact the security of Maharashtra?
Well, this is an alert that has been issued by the Maharashtra Home Department. The Maharashtra Home Department through various intelligence agencies, which include central intelligence agencies, as well, and the state intelligence department. Security alert has been sounded to increase vigilance, increase surveillance in the coastal areas, especially areas around Mumbai, the coastal areas around Mumbai, Raigad district, Ratnagiri district, Sindhudurg district. Coastal police has been told to increase the sea patrol. Also, the allied agencies like the Coast Guard and Navy have been conveyed that vigilance needs to be increased. The Coast Guard and Indian Navy regularly conduct sea patrol. Also, the Marine Police conducts sea patrol. But now it has been increased after the Pahalgam terrorist attack, and not taking any chances to keep up the security in place, keep up surveillance. This alert has been sounded. So more patrols could be seen, more police presence can be seen, more security presence can be seen near the coastal areas of Mumbai, Raigad, Ratnagiri and Sindhudurg districts of Maharashtra.
Right. Thank you very much, Divyesh, for all that information. So it's quite clear that now the coastal areas will also see heightened security measures. And we have to remember that India has a huge coastline, and we have earlier seen attacks being targeted towards India via this route, which is the sea route. So now seashore and the sea, this area will also be heavily guarded, and the Maharashtra Home Department has taken note of that and has now declared that they will be increasing security in these areas as well. So as you can see, this has come after the Indian Navy showed its missile prowess today by conducting a precision hit. And you can see the visuals of that precision hit on your screens right now.